If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the new video update. Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and welcome back to my channel Lifestyle with Saira. So today I'll give you the review about skincare product that is from Origins, and this I have 5 pieces kit of Origin. That is the name of this kit. Name is Tiny Treasures. It has mini essentials to detox, resurface and hydrate. This is a travel size kit. There are 5 pieces in this kit of the skincare of Origin. I'll show you one by one. Okay, so we have this 5 products in this mini kit, and these are the travel size products. So first of all, I'll show you this. This is Origins Check and Balance face wash, and this is a travel size face wash. I've been using this face wash since I have bought this, and I'm definitely in love with this one and definitely going to buy the full size of this one because it instantly gives you a glow and moisturize your face. This thing I really like in the face wash, that they instantly give you some result. So it just come in this foamy form. When you apply some water to it, it will become in the foamy form. Okay, so I will recommend for this Origins this face wash. This is really very nice face wash. If you want to go for a full size, you should definitely buy the full size of this one. Okay, then we are having the second item, that is Origins Modern Friction Dermabrasion. That is, it works like a exfoliant. You can say it's just like a scrub, very gentle scrub, which are good for sensitive skin and for dry skin. If your skin is sensitive and dry, and even it's not sensitive and dry, then also it's very good because it's very gentle, and I like scrub or exfoliants which are very gentle to your skin. Otherwise, because my skin is sensitive, so it just whenever I use scrub or any exfoliant which is very harsh to my face, then I really don't like them. Okay, so it has very small particles. I hope you can see it has very small particles in it, so it is very gentle to your skin, and it also exfoliate your skin and instantly give you the result. This thing I really like in Origin products, that they instantly give you the result, and the price they are having for these products are I just think it's fair to their products, because they really give you instant result. Okay, then we are having the third product, that is Origins Ginseng Oil Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. This product also I like because it really moisturizes your face nicely. I apply every day night to this product, and definitely I'm also going to buy the full size of this one, because when I get up in the morning, my skin is really very soft and smooth. So I like this kind of moisturizer which suits my face, and it's not at all oily. It's like a gel form. It's in a creamy form, but when you apply this, it easily absorbs in your face. So see, it doesn't take that much time to absorb in your face, so you can even apply this before your makeup also. So, and it has a very nice juicy smell, like juicy fruity smell like a orange. So I really like that smell also of this one. Okay, so the fourth product is one of my favorite products from this kit, and that is Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. And charcoal mask, there are so many charcoal masks in the market, but not all of them have suited me. This is the only one which have suited me, so definitely I'm also going to buy the full size of this one. And you can see it's in a black form. It's a charcoal mask, and it really clears up your pores. I really love this mask in this whole kit. Okay, so then we are having this Origin Drink Up Intensive Overnight Hydrating Mask with avocado and Swiss glacier water. Okay, so this is also a very nice product if your skin is extremely dry and like no moisturizer is suiting you, and it's your skin is like getting patches and all. So I'll recommend you to apply this every night to your skin whenever your skin is very dry. Even in this summer weather also, my skin is very dry, so I apply this overnight, and in the morning my skin is very soft and smooth. So I really love this product also from Origins. So I didn't knew that Origin is having such a nice products, because every product in this kit, it is really good, and I will recommend to buy this kit if you can buy, and try out this travel size product first, and then which product you like, then go for the full size of this. Okay, I hope you will like my this video and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll be back soon inshallah with more new good videos. Thank you. Bye bye.